Damn, it's snowing again.
Hey guys, welcome back. This morning I wake up and I look outside and I see it snowing like a motherfucker. Everyone who knows me knows that I love snow. I love to play in the snow, I love to throw it at people, and I love to do everything with snow. That came out wrong. In a week I'm turning 30, so this is like last chance for me to play in the snow while I'm still in my 20s. I came up with this plan that I'm gonna work a little bit right now, and then I'm gonna call up my friend and seduce him to go out and play in snow and have lunch. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. After we go to the park, also I'm gonna take you to one of my favorite bookstores in Brooklyn. Okay, not only in Brooklyn, maybe one of my favorite bookstores ever. It's a great bookstore. But for now, I really have to work. So I'm gonna work a few hours and then we go out. The hardest part for me is to walk fast. You know, I used to be late all the time, but since I turned 27, I decided like being late is not a good thing. But it is extremely hard to walk. It's extremely hard to walk right now because like there's like icy particles coming on my face, like the wind is blowing. Also, you gotta see this. See what I'm talking about? Like, how am I supposed to look? It's so deep. Okay. Anyway, let's just stay positive and keep doing fun things. I don't know. There are not a lot of people outside, so I'm not wearing mask yet, but as soon as I see people, I'm gonna wear a mask. Oh damn, there's another puddle. My friend's supposed to be. Oh, okay, perfect, thank you. There he is. What's up? So we've been coming here for like a few years. And every time we come here, we order the same thing. And it's always a spicy drunken noodle, but we love it, so whatever, right? Sure do. Okay, so we're finally out and we're going to Makarin Park, and we're gonna see if there are people and if there are any activities or anything like that, and we're gonna play in the snow. Oh! Okay, so we are close to the park. No, we're practically in the park, right? Mm-hmm. And there are some people. Wait, let me show you. It still looks good. I can't believe there's no one out here. Seriously, people, what are you doing? Like, go out. Oh, I see a peanut. Is that a peanut? Looks like a peanut. Jem just got my peanut. Is it dead? It's for the squirrels, don't eat it. It's for the squirrels, I can't eat that. You're gonna eat that?
No, of course not.
Did you just eat it? I'll give it to it. Squirrel, eat the peanut. I'm gonna kick your ass. Okay, bitch. Not scared of you. Okay, I don't know. I still love it. Like, there's so much whiteness.
Eyelashes are frozen.
My eyelashes. What? I'm still pretty, I'm sure.
No.
Do I look like? Do I look like an ice queen? Yes, I do. Man. Like, I was hoping for better. I don't know. Okay, you have to see my disappointed face.
Maybe Las Vegas?
What to do? Oh, I have to. This is the like outdoors place in Brooklyn, Williamsburg, and we used to come here during the summer. And our friend Marco was the one who found this place. It's like a little parking lot in the middle of two driveways. Shout out to Marco. And like we used to love coming here. Like we used to do a lot of stuff, which probably I should not talk about. But it was great to come here and like hang out during the summer. Apparently they're open during the winter too. Like I had no idea. And it's not even very cold. And this is definitely new. Like this gazebo thing, like it was not here during the summer. And we got 2 beers. And we're gonna drink it now. And right after, we're just gonna go to the bookstore. And also, what's great about this place is that they actually have like actual DJs who are playing, like right there. I don't know if you can see. There's like a booth. Okay, not that one. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, whatever. Okay, just trust me. Just trust me on the words. Okay, now I gotta go pee. I don't know what I'm doing, Jam. Jam is back. I don't know. Na 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 na. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go pee. I gotta go pee, and I'll be back. Mwah. Why am I kissing? I don't know. I'm so excited. First. Okay. So this is Asian, African, and Middle Eastern literature. So basically, if you want to do South Asian literature, you can explore and discover South and Central Asian. This is Japanese for sure. Haruki Murakami. No, don't do Haruki Murakami. Yukio Mishima. Yes, do Yukio Mishima. For sure. Oh damn, there's like all Dune books. I have exactly the same ones. Oh my god. Say it's a good bookstore, Jen.
It's a good bookstore.
That's what he said. I don't even know. Okay, there are the foundations. Nice. I read the original foundation and now I'm finishing the foundation and the empire, which I don't see here. And now this is the view from the up. How beautiful is that? So yeah, I think that's it. Like, that's our first vlog. So, all right, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you. Bye.